Hi everybody, this is Maddie Torres coming to you from the Children's Museum Houston. Thank you for joining us today for our DIY Halloween costume, which is funded by City of Houston through Houston Arts Alliance. As you know, we love Halloween here at Children's Museum Houston. But since you can't come celebrate with us, we're bringing the celebration to you at home all October long. Today we will be making a DIY sheep costume. Let's get started. Today you will be needing a plain white t-shirt, a white beanie or a headband if you don't have one, some pink felt and black felt for the ears and some scissors to cut out the felt, some pillow fluff or cotton balls, and some hot glue sticks and a hot glue gun. And if you don't have either of these, you can use school glue or fabric glue. And for your optional face painting, you can use face painting crayons. We have our t-shirt here and our pillow fluff, and we will be using the hot glue gun to glue our pillow fluff to the shirt. And make sure before starting that your hot glue gun is warm and that you have an adult present to supervise you while doing this part. And as you can see, I have already torn up my pillow fluff to make it easier to glue onto the shirt. So I will take these pieces and start gluing them one by one on my t-shirt. This could be a fun and inexpensive DIY costume for the whole family to enjoy. While using the hot glue gun, the glue might be a little hot and might seep through the shirt, but you can always prevent that by putting a piece of cardboard between the front and the back of the shirt. And after you finish adding all your fluff to your shirt, you'll see it'll look very nice and fluffy, very wool-like, very realistic. And if you see any empty spots, you can go back and add in more fluff to fill in any empty spots on your sheep. And if you would like, you can always do the back side, but I think just the front would be enough. And after you're done with your shirt, then we'll move on to making the top of your head, which will be the beanie or your headband if you don't have a beanie at home. All right, and now we're all done with our beanie. We'll just need to make the ears for our sheep. So for the ears, you'll need the black felt and the pink felt. First, we'll start with the black felt, and you'll need to cut out 2 large ovals. You can use your first oval as a template for your second one, so your ears can be the same size. And then you'll need to cut out 2 smaller ovals of the pink felt to go on the inside of your black ears. And that seems like a good size, so we'll cut out a second one out of our pink felt. And then all you'll need to do is just put some hot glue on the back of your pink felt and glue it on your black felt. And there you have your 2 ears, which we will glue to our beanie. I like to glue them a little bit towards the top. So I'm gonna decide my placing and then I'll add on the glue. And here we have our finished product, our DIY sheep costume. You have your head and you have your body. And to finish it off, if you want to add a little nose and a little mouth, you can add that on with the face painting crayon. And as you can see, this is the finished product of the costume. I wore that last year for Halloween. I also added a black long sleeve shirt and some black leggings to complete my DIY sheep costume look. We hope you enjoyed today's DIY costume. We want to see your creation, so make sure to tag us on social media so we can repost our favorites. And we'll see you next time. Bye!